By the way, guys, I'm using Forever Bright Blue Gel for almost 21 years. And you know, when my dentist told me what I'm using Forever Bright Blue Gel, she was really amazed because I don't have tartar or plaque that accumulated in my teeth. So it's really good. And also, when I got my, I call it, I had to take out my teeth. I mean, my teeth was already gone, but there is a root that needs to take out in my gums. So when they inject on my gums, I feel nothing. It's just like a normal. Then next day I can still eat. And she even told me not to take it first. But definitely because I'm using this one, as like nothing. I can do everything. I can chew. I can drink, and because of this Forever Bright Blue Gel. Again, our product is not therapeutic claim. Now, let's proceed with Forever V pollen. This is the pollen that came from the high Sonoran Desert. And the V pollen. Again, the V pollen is like the Russian athlete. They use this one. They use V products. Again, if you want to have an extra energy, take Forever Bee Pollen, especially those who are working in the call center, the BPO industry. You better take this one, Forever Bee Pollen, for extra energy. As well with the Jinchia, but Jinchia is not available now here in the Philippines. So you better take this one, Forever Bee Pollen. It's 100 tablets. Again, the product is not therapeutic claim. I use this one for extra energy because I do an aero and Zumba every morning. So I better take this one for extra energy. You know, you're not getting any younger anymore. How many years to come then I'm getting, you know what? And they were amazed to me because they don't realize that I am that kind of age. But definitely all of us will be going in that, you know, what they call the senior age. But definitely I appreciate that I become a member of Forever Living Products International, that I'm going to enjoy my life and taking this food supplement that really helps me to become look younger and feel better. Again, our products are not therapeutic claim, and I would like to share this testimony to all of you, just to share what I have been feel and what I have been I call it feel better, or things that have been happened to me upon using this product. And thank you so much everyone for using